Hello friends, so I hope you are learning a lot of from my series of Revit architecture. So this is the new video of new elements. So in this video we will discuss about the column, roofs and floors and ceilings. Okay, so here is one is column in the architecture part. There is also in the structure, but we will use architecture column. Okay, so architecture column means there is a lot of shape is here. First I am taking this one. So this is a basic shape. Okay, when I click on it, it's automatically will come here. So if you want, you can take the different shape also, and we can create these kind of shape also. If you will go here in edit family, so there is you can change your shape directly from the edit family, but this one we will discuss during our lecture of family. So here and go here in edit type. If you will go load, okay, when we you will go here in US library, there is a column. You can see here there is a column folder is this side. Okay, there is a lot of column is here, chamfer column. Okay, is corner is chamfers. This is the column for classic modeling, metal, rectangular, round column and wood timber column. Anything you want you can take from here. Okay, and go to the, okay, you can use directly here that column. Okay, so this is the column. Now we will discuss about the roof. Okay, in roof we have footprint, roof by footprint. It means, see, is saying when I click it, it's saying we have to create it level 2. So is okay or not? So I am saying yes. Okay, when I will click on it, this bars is appearing here. Okay, it means any shape of roof you can make use it. So I am taking rectangle one. Okay, so when I create the roof, you can see here this mark coming here. So this mark is showing that this is the slope. So what you can do, first I'll show you how it will look like. So go here, this is our roof. Which roof? Okay, but in this case we don't want, we want some things, means like if I go to the edit footprint, select this one. Okay, and I'm uncheck the define slope. Okay, now go and check. So this side slope, this side slope, this side slope, but this side is no slope. Okay, if you want complete one without slope, so select all and define unslope. Then you can see no slope. Okay, if you want any hole and anything in this, so directly you can make here directly. Okay, and we have shaft commands also, but I am doing by this method is also the better, no problem. No one will say anything. If anyone say anything about this method, okay, send it to me, I will handle that issue. So see here, and okay, so like this you can create any roof in your drawing. Now go to the architecture tab, go to the floor also. The floor is roof and same. Okay, there is also, this is the floor, but in this case there is no slope, directly you can make, or if you want anywhere kind of thing like this, so you can make. Okay, and if you will do copy and paste, so separately your control C and control V. Okay, this is the highlighted, and the thing is there is overlapping, edit extrusion, delete outer side segments. Okay, keep inside only and see here. Now the two type of flooring we have, you can give the different material, both of it. Okay, now suppose I am choosing this one, going to the duplicate, this is the borders of floor. Okay, this one I am using marble, suppose, or granite floor. Got it? Now go here, edit material, go to edit type, take it, insert, and upside give it, suppose I'm giving it 12 mm, no problem, 13, 12, whatever you give. Okay, and here I am giving it, suppose if you have any image you can execute image also. Okay, so I am giving here any, fine, granite. If we have, there is no same, so I am using here the flooring, concrete, liquid, masonry, glassing. Okay, no problem, whatever, delete it. Take any material here, you can download also. I'm taking this wooden. Okay, so now this is the wooden, it comes here, and okay, apply, and okay, so you see, and inside we want something color or something, suppose. Okay, I'm downloading is better. Go to here, granite floor texture. Okay, so here you can take any texture, suppose this one I'm taking, or if you want glossy, suppose this one I'm taking, and save. Okay, in desktop I'm saving it here. Go to our Revit. Okay, and in this case go to edit type, again insert, up, go here, upside, because upper surface we need. Okay, create here new material. Okay, give it the name granite floor. Okay, and type here now granite. Before I was typing but not coming, but now it will come. Okay, select this one, select it. Okay, there is a texture alignment, and we can do one thing also is here, go to edit type, insert, go here. If you have any material you can change the name of that material. Suppose I have this cherry. Okay, but this cherry I already used. Suppose I have this oak flooring, you can give it here, or you can copy also, but I'm giving it here, granite. Okay, same thing, there is no anything which will make irritate you. Go here in image, select this image, and go on the desktop. Okay, find your image where you saved. See where is our image, this one, open, this is the image, done, apply, and okay, give it whatever.
The texture type is JPEG.
JPEG, JPEG. So now see, you can change everything. That one also we will discuss in detail when we will discuss about the material. So like this you can make the floor. I hope you understand. For the means column, roof, and floor, and ceiling also is the same. Suppose you have the wall, ceiling we will discuss in next database. Ceiling, there's a lot of type of designs there, so we will discuss about that. Okay, I hope you understand. Keep learning, keep watch, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of every tutorial. Okay, bye.